Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about: how to start a business with no money. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need deep pockets to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. And guess what? We're not just talking theory here. We've got real-life stories from the book of 48-Hour Startup to prove it. So let's get started. All right, let's start by discussing the heart of your business, the idea. Remember, it's not about having a $1 million idea. It's about solving a problem or fulfilling a need in a unique way. The book 48-Hour Startup shares an inspiring story about Lisa, who turned her passion for healthy snacks into a thriving business. Lisa started experimenting with nutritious snack recipes in her tiny kitchen. With zero budget, she used social media to showcase her creations. The response was incredible. People loved her unique snacks, and she started taking pre-orders before even making them. Now that you have your idea, it's time to hustle and get resourceful. The book highlights another story: Alex, who started his cleaning service with nothing more than determination.
Felix needed cleaning supplies, but he didn't have money. So he knocked on neighbors' doors, offering to clean their homes using their supplies. He built a reputation for excellence, and within 48 hours, he had his first paying customer. He used that money to buy his own supplies and officially launched his business. One of the most valuable assets you have is your network. You'd be surprised how many doors can open when you reach out for help. Let me share a story from the book about Mark, who transformed his love for pets into a unique service. Mark wanted to offer a pet sitting service, but he lacked funds for advertising. He reached out to friends and family asking for referrals. Not only did they spread the word, but they also helped create a basic website for his business. Mark's service gained traction quickly, and he was able to reinvest his earnings into expanding his offerings. In today's digital age, online platforms are your best friends. They provide a cost-effective way to reach a wide audience. The book showcases Jane, who turned her artistic talent into a booming online store. Jane loved creating handmade jewelry, but she didn't have money for a physical store. She leveraged e-commerce platforms and social media to showcase her pieces. By using clever storytelling and engaging visuals, she attracted customers from all over the world. Let's talk about a hidden gem in the business world: bartering. The book 48-Hour Startup reveals a fantastic story about Chris, who turned his skill set into a thriving business without spending a dime. Chris was a talented graphic designer. He wanted to start a design agency but lacked funds. Instead of giving up, he offered his design services to local businesses in exchange for their products or services. This not only built his portfolio, but also gave him essential resources to get his business off the ground. Starting a business with no money also requires embracing minimalism. The book's example of Sarah's success story perfectly illustrates this principle. Sarah was passionate about sustainable living and decided to create a business around it. She used her smartphone to record simple DIY videos for eco-friendly living. With just a small corner of her apartment as a set, her authenticity and message resonated with viewers. The simplicity of her approach allowed her to connect genuinely with her audience. Now let's explore one of the most powerful tools in business storytelling. 48-Hour Startup brings us the inspiring story of Mike, who turned his love for vintage clothing into an empire. Mike's journey began with a single piece of vintage clothing. He started sharing stories about the history behind each piece on social media. The personal touch and passion he infused into his posts caught people's attention. His following grew, and soon he was selling his curated collection to a dedicated customer base. There you have it, folks. Incredible stories from 48-Hour Startup that illustrate the limitless possibilities of starting a business with no money. These stories prove that with determination, creativity, and a willingness to think outside the box, you can turn your passion into a successful venture. If you're inspired by these stories and want to get this book for free, go check out the description of the video and you will get the link for the free book 48-Hour Startup. Now you're ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tips and success stories. Remember, your dream business might be just 48 hours away.